Everyone, jacketing here, and we're back on the AE86 today. Can't wait, it's almost close to being ready. Like engine runs, bolt check today, and after that, after transmission fluid, diff fluid, it's pretty much ready for the dyno. At which point, we'll tune it and get some horsepower figure out of it. And then next time tomorrow will be basically all last minute suspension parts and sort out the sway bar, sort out maybe a roll center adjuster at the front that can add us a little more camber, and that'll be it. It'll be track ready. It'll hit the road for our journey. Can't wait. Ready? Oh yeah, I need a filter. I forgot. I've got that. So it don't sound like crickets.
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't ready.
I guess not. So all we need really to drive it is maybe the tack.
The tack?
It's important.
Does it have brake pressure?
I think so. We can bleed it later.
So put juice in the trans, put
Juice
juice in the
in
diff. Make sure nothing's loose or falling off under the car.
Yeah,
See if it has a brake pedal.
yeah. And then we're ready for pretty much a dyno today.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I think there are some parts that are coming from Cali that arrives tomorrow.
Okay.
So might need you to finish up like on the suspension stuff, and maybe just like a very basic alignment, zero out the tail, because we can't adjust the camber, right?
No.
Not really.
No.
Nor the front. There's a pan hard to adjust, right?
Yeah, the back, yeah.
Okay, and that's it.
Yeah.
So maybe that for the tomorrow, but today I want to get it tuned so we can like
Yeah.
just drive it out there and make sure it works okay.
Could somehow temporarily mount the sway bar or remove
Zip
it.
tie it.
Zip tie it or remove it.
Yeah.
And wait for the right parts.
Okay, so close. I'll grab the stuff. I had the plastic one and I got the metal one, which I thought was like better, you know? Does it just fit around this, around the engine?
It goes radiator support
Yeah.
and subframe.
Wow, that's clean. Okay.
So there's one bolt there, one bolt here,
Okay, and two at the front.
two in the front,
And that's it.
and you like that.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah. We can do that later.
Bam.
Oh, should we just bolt it in now?
It's some thick stuff. It's not like, I don't think it's gonna
Wow.
just control it.
Thank you, Liquid Moly, for their synth oil, Race Tech 1060 oil for keeping, well, it's about to keep my brand new, working, fully functional Chach, fully functional,
Fully functional.
20 valve, running at like 11,000 and 8,000 RPM.
Yeah.
11,000 might be a bit much for the baby rods. What is it that fail when you go to 11? Is it the rods or the pins?
It's mainly the valve train.
Oh yeah, I guess that can take it.
Oil pump can't keep up, and then
Yeah.
valve train like brakes, valve springs, and everything.
Oh,
But if
geez.
you build it forward, it'll take it.
Okay,
It has oil squirters and everything, so.
right. It's just at that point you're using what, like for 30, easy 10 grand, 15 grand
Yeah.
to make a 1.6 that rev to 16 or 11,000,
And it makes the same power all the way through the RPM range.
yes,
It just sounds cool.
yeah. Makes 160 at 11,000 RPM.
Yeah.
Doesn't go any faster. It
Makes-
just keeps revving.
160 at 7,500 and 160 at 11,000. Just screams a little louder at
Yes.
11,000.
Yeah. I guess it is working. It sounds good. Oh hell yeah! All right, we're moving it. First time in years it's moving under its own power. Oh my god. 20 feet, but we done it. Okay, little steps. Thank you, Chach. All right, now we get a tack working. I realized there's this thing called Google Translate, and you could literally point this at that, and it will turn it into the correct words. I mean, it's kind of funky at times, but for the important things, like pause, illumination power supply, digital signal rotation, constant power supply. Now we know. Thank God. While I was on food gathering duty, Chach put the entire interior of the car back together. I mean, by entire interior, I mean 4 trim pieces. Yeah. That's it. It's all back together, and I've never seen my car looking that nice. And yes, that's mounted. That looks beautiful. Oh my God, the electric fan just works. And now he even fixed the dash. Oh, the pop-ups. Oh, everything still works. I'm so happy. I'm actually really happy. Look at it. You can adjust all the brightness, everything. Oh, it's beautiful. And we've done all the drivetrain, all the driveline stuff, and it's hitting the dyno for the tune. It's on the startup map, so you know, it hasn't been running too right, but it's all gonna change. We're shooting for the moon. 140 horsepower wheel. Here we go. We're on the dyno having a little bit of an issue. This gauge, the in-car gauge that we just got, says, well, let me see. It says temp is midway. But on the ECU, the sensor says it's 234 degrees Fahrenheit, at which point your engine should probably go bang. The sensors sit together on the basically on the back of the block, the block off plate we had. Well, it's about an hour and a half later, and we've had a problem. This is a thermostat that was in it in the water kit, I think, the whole 20 valve conversion kit. Well, this one, let's be honest, I don't think it worked. It never opened, and this pipe was really hot. That pipe down there was icy cold. So I don't know. It just didn't work. Yeah, we got another thermostat from Toyota, but this doesn't seem to be the right size and doesn't fit the housing that, you know. So we're just gonna run without thermostat, which is fine because I don't have a heater core. I'll just leave the car out in the morning for a little bit longer to let it warm up and everything before we go. So theoretically, we should be okay. It's just a pain in the ass for Chach, and sorry, my Chach. Alright, Chach. You've worked on this car more than anybody. It sounds glorious. What's the prediction?
I say we'll get the 130.
130? I want 130 also. I really want 140, but 130, let's hope for it. We go 135. We go 135. We go 135. I like. We go 135.
Yeah.
Holy shit! That's still not red line. Oh God! This car. .8, and we fixed the power dip too. Holy crap!